Hi guys! This is Jefford Lumangtad and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi there! Alright, my boyfriend is just behind me. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is unbox tayo ng isang gift I got from my boyfriend. Would you like to introduce the gift for us?
No.
Alright, so he gave me this Osmo Mobile 3. That's that. It was so sweet of him to do that. Oh my god, I was so speechless when I found out that this would be the gift. Yeah, my Christmas gift from him. Well, actually, I already received 2 gifts from him. And I'm also so excited to give my gift to him tomorrow.
What is it?
Secret! Alright, so, mag-unbox tayo and let's see how it works. So for us to know how it works, I will just use my other phone. So, wait. So, i-unbox na natin siya. Ito siyang eat down B. I don't have any holder yet. Ayan. Dito. Unbox. I need to take a picture of this one yet. First. Alright. So there, let's unbox this. So it's the Osmo Mobile 3. There! And it's... what is this one? Oops. So the wires... wala ba siyang manual? Oh, there. Of course, meron yung manual. So, quick start guide. First is the DJI Memo app. So, I can get it. So, I'll just scan this code here. Number 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. It is color gray. It's actually heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does it work? Okay. Okay. Number 2 is that one. So number 2 is pull this one. So it says pull. So it's like that. Wiggle. Wiggle. So there. And that one, yeah. That one. And number 3 is to put the phone. So I'm gonna do it. Put the phone here. Phone camera direction, yeah. Look at that. It's too loose. But it's heavy actually. Bouggt siya. Number 4, oh no. So I can adjust from here. So from the case. I don't know what it says. So it should be like that. But no. Like that. Yeah, like that. And no. M. So when powered off, press once to check battery level. So it's 2 bars. Press and hold to power on or off. So it's on. It's on now. So it's on now. Number 4. Okay, so number 1 is do it like that. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
Tomorrow for sure.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
1 hour later.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.